Hello, baby. How's the project going? Thank God. Babe, when are you coming back? I've really missed you. It's lonely here. Really? Oh, babe, I can't wait to have it back here. I've really missed you. I've missed your touch. I've missed us playing together. Please just come back. Please. Okay. I love you more. No, you know I love you more, right? Bye. Hi, Rich. Are you going out?
Hello, sure.
Are you going somewhere?
Yes, I am. I am stepping out to take a walk. To clear my head off.
Come on, Rich. I hope it's not because of what happened between both of us. If it's about that, I really enjoyed it. Rich, wait. Rich, wait. Whew. Rich.
Hey! Hey! Open the gate. Hey! Is that my name? Now my name be that? Huh? I be thinking say you want jump and pass. Jump and pass now! You don't see me sit down for here. I not be human being. You don't see me. They don't get either for your house. In the spirit of kindness, I don't want to repeat myself.
No one
We'll open the gate.
in that same spirit of kindness.
Because I'm a very kind person. It's just that you're misunderstanding me. Even here,
Waiting be your work for this house.
I beg your pardon. I don't ask for my pardon. I don't ask for it at all. I will not give. You're so wicked. Yeah? Ever since Oga come for this compound, see, I told you, I got my eyes on you. Hey, LA. See, they see everything what they happen for this compound. You see all the things where they do, they jump and pass, they do all this slowly. All those things I saw it. Well, including Madam room and your room. Gang. Shut up! What did you say? What am I not saying? I am saying everything. I say I dey see everything wey dey happen for this compound. You see that? I dey see am. Huh? The way you dey take the touch madam up and down, they touch am, they hold am, they do every other thing. Yeah? I dey watch you now. Huh? Now wetin make madam never give me food since morning? Huh? When una dey they do wetin I don't know. They touch person wey no be your wife. He good? Huh? See, that thing don't make me I swear, I won't die. Die for you. But I know go die you. I don't feel die. I pass you. Will you just shut your cave? You call him out? The gate immediately. No. You have kept your cave running. Stupid. Open the gate, open! Unfortunately, look here. Every other person gonna do something. For us, they gonna say yes. Person they work. You gonna help me, they do the jobs when they this house. Your own now to the touch him, madam. Like say na your wife. You play paka like a pamaka. If you ever try it again, I will show you my true color. You get luck, bro. You just get luck. Idiot. If you say I don't chop, you think say if you push me? When I did the end enough, we will do it well. I don't come. You were busy. Do it slowly. Do it slowly because you wanted to add. In fact, in your next generation, you know go add. You know go my loss. I know Pama. Look at me, man-made because I have it. And when me took Nataruchi, God gave it to me. Yeah? Before you know, you be a flat muzzle chicha.
Baby, is everything okay? You're not looking happy.
I am fine.
You don't look fine. See, baby, if it is about the job, don't worry. I'm working towards it. Very soon, you'll get a good paid job. I can assure you that. Okay? I want you to be happy, please.
Thank you, my love. You see, I really need to get myself something doing to avoid some distractions.
Distractions? What do you mean by that?
Distractions like being idle and all of that. And you know, as they say, an idle man is a devil's workshop.
I understand you, baby. But please, take it easy on yourself. Okay? Trust me on this. You'll get a good paid job real soon. Huh?
Oh.
Please chill, baby. Smile. Smile for me. No, I like it when you smile. I love you.
Love you too.
Madam, now your eyes with this.
Johnson, how are you?
I am fine seeing you now.
Is Richmond in?
Yes, sir. He is in.
Okay.
You not carry anything come for me?
Don't worry. I'll see you before I leave.
Oh! Well, You don't go.
Don't ask me stupid questions. I said open the gates, hurry up.
No, to go, sir. If you won't give me something, you don't give me a game. Hey!
After all my efforts to secure this job for that bastard, he dared do this to me. And of all the women in the world, his brother's wife. This is despicable. I will tear disappointment later. He don't deserve it. Richmond, you don't deserve this!
Looking bad.
You too. Look at you. You look good.
I've missed you.
I've missed you too.
What of my brother?
He should be in his room, I guess.
Okay. So, what's up?
Nothing much. I can see you look stressed.
Yes,
I want you to go upstairs, freshen up, and calm down. I made you your favorite. Let's go. Let me help you with your bag. Yeah. I miss you. My baby is fine.
I got that. Wow. This is unbelievable. So you now work out all the time. You can't imagine how much I spend in the gym for her to be working out every day, all to no avail.
Well, that is because I don't have anyone to motivate me. But Richie here is a great motivation.
Oh. Bro, thank you so much. Bro? Richie?
Yes?
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for motivating her. Yeah. And how is your jump hunting? Anything yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Don't just worry yourself, okay? Adrian, my friend, has promised that there's going to be an opening by the end of the month. So, once it opens, I believe there'll be a slot for you.
I pray so too.
All right, bro. Thank you. I had an unfinished activity in my room. I went to go and complete it.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I am.
It's okay.
So, babe, you thought I was lazy.
I mean, can't.
But I'm doing it now.
Do you realize that Richie is not just comfortable around us anymore?
How do you mean? And why would you even say that?
Because he's kind of possessing a very strong, strange attitude, which I don't really understand.
I think maybe it's because of the job hunting. You know how it can be sometimes, can be frustrating.
Oh, if that, then my friend Edwin has promised to give me a slot in the company. I believe he's getting a job very soon by God's grace.
Okay, you really have to help him to get a job because I think the guy's losing it.
What have I done? How do I take away this guilt? This has to stop. If it doesn't, I would find myself in deep hot waters. This woman would put me into a big trouble.
Hi. Hello. Come on. Well, I've been noticing that you've not been working out for some days now. Are you okay?
I am okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Why does it feel like you're avoiding me? Huh?
It would be better if you stay away from me. Just distance yourself from me, please.
Hey! Aren't you doing too much? Yes. Look, if you continue to act like this, my husband is going to suspect both of us. Come on, you're not a child.
And who's going to tell him? Because I am done. I can't continue in this barbaric act.
I love that. My man is...
Leave me alone.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Rich, come on, loosen up. Look.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Just stop. You are not a child. Just stop. Calm. Be calm. If you continue like this, you're going to make my husband to suspect both of us. You're not a child. Are you trying to tell me you're not enjoying what is going on between both of us? What are you even doing? Why are you acting this way?
Use the door.
What?
Use the door.
I got a memo from the MD. He's so impressed with our performance. And he will be hosting us this weekend.
Great. That's so nice. Like, that's so thoughtful of him to think of such.
Just try and inform our team members about it, okay? And also, his birthday will be on Friday. So let's get a gift for him. Or what do you think?
I think that's a good idea. At least he's going to appreciate it.
Anyway, just make it open to the team. Whatever suggestion they come up with, I'm good with it.
Perfect. I'll just work that out right now and then get back to you. Okay, I'll just take my leave now.
have it. Let me see what you have there. Your body is see now. Okay. This is nice. I love this one. Yes, I'm taking this one. I'm taking this one. I love this one.
Check this one.
Okay. Oh, I don't like this one. You know, I don't. What did you say?
There is no pixie curls here. I told you I wanted the long length curls. I'm so sorry, babe. That will come in my next batch of hairs. Hopefully, it will arrive Nigeria month end. Okay?
Please give me another hair. You are there not discussing with her. She doesn't have money. I have money. I will take this one.
And the pixie curls once it arrives, okay? You have to make your payments first, though. Money for hand, back for ground. Madam, calm down. I will pay you. You still like money? Before Uncle, why I no go like money? It's not the one that you will travel now. And I will now be keeping here for you, I will just sell it to another person. So it's better you make your payments down. I know that this is for you. Anytime you travel, that your long travel, and you come back, I will just deliver the hair to you. Bakam. Okay, ma.
Why are you stressing yourself with this one that I don't have money? Give me another hair, I'll pay you. Like, I don't like this one.
Sorry, she does not have money.
Calm
down. That's it. I check this one, madam. You like this one.
No, I don't like this one. It's the same thing with this one. Let me just look for me this one. They're the same thing. I don't like this one. Take. I'm okay with this one. Take. Let me take this one. Oh, like looking good. See my friends now. Fine girls. Fine girls, we love Jesus.
Papa was drink.
I will. Girls, I have a confession.
What is
it? There's something that I did, rather there's something that I'm doing that I feel guilty about. But the funny part is that I can't even control myself about it.
Okay, what is it? Tell us, spill.
It's Richmond.
What about Richmond?
When my husband traveled, so we became so close, and one thing led to another.
And you slept with him?
Yes. Hey! Oh,
babes, this is your husband's younger brother that we are talking about here, for crying out loud.
I know that already. You don't have to remind me. I know. That is why I said I feel guilty. But the thing is that I can't even control how I feel about this guy.
He must be really good down there.
This guy is super good. This guy makes me to feel like a woman. Like, he touched me in the right spot. I can't even get him off my head.
You need Jesus in your life. You need to give your life to Christ.
I know. He's good.
You have to be careful, oh. Jeez.
I know.
Your husband's younger brother.
This guy is driving me crazy.
Oh, I'm in pains. I'm in pains. I never imagined they could hurt me this way. All the good times, all the good days, I loved you with all my heart. And I never imagined they could hurt me this way.
Hello, baby.
What did I do to deserve this?
Oh, are you home? Oh, why not in the house?
My sweet days are turned to nightmares.
Oh.
My heart is shattered.
Okay.
I thought we'd build
See you soon, baby.
Trust and love, but now it's all lies from above. I'm searching for answers night and day, but the truth is harsh and it's hard to stay. Oh, what did I do to deserve this?
I know. Oh God. You slapped me? How dare you slap me? Are you mad?
What for? For shamelessly sleeping with him. He is your husband's younger brother. How dare you? Don't you have shame? Where is your conscience?
Richmond?
Yes.
I don't know what you told this thing, but I want her to get out of my house.
How dare you? You dare touch me with those filthy hands? Are you insane?
Hell! Hell! Hello! Hell!
Yes.
I was asking you to sit.
Oh, my apologies. Please, where is Rich?
Are you sure you're okay?
Sure, I am okay.
Is everything all right at home?
Yes, very well. And where is Rich?
Rich, he just stepped out. You didn't call him before coming?
Okay, I'll do that now.
I think you should do that, okay? When you are done, feel at home, make yourself comfortable, okay? I want to pick something upstairs. I'll be right back.
All right.
Okay.
Hello, baby. Where are you? I'm at home waiting.
Hey, darling. How are you? You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Sit. Oh.
I've been waiting.
Yeah. I thought we agreed on meeting at the bar across the street. What happened?
But why do we need to meet at the bar when I can simply come here? Your house.
Yeah, babe. You know, this is my elder brother's house. And you know, I don't want to take things for granted because I have freedom and they give me everything. I don't want to make it look as if I'm taking advantage of, you know, the whole scenario. And yes, plus, you know, his wife. He might begin to see me as someone who doesn't regard her by bringing a woman. Yeah, that's all. Just for respect. Nothing more.
I never knew I was just a woman to you.
Come on, babe. You know you are never just a woman to me. You are everything and more. You know.
Is that the only reason? Or there's something you're not telling me? Go on, say it. I want to hear it.
No, there is no other reason other than what I just told you. Okay. Babe. Why don't we just go out, look for a very nice place, serene, quiet, so we can spend some time together, talk.
Never mind.
I'm leaving. Come on now. Babe, baby now, please. Please, come now. Wait. Hold on. Wait.
What?
I am beginning to feel very uncomfortable with this. This has to stop.
Why? Are you trying to tell me that you don't love me or like me? Are you not enjoying this? Look, I don't like the way you've been avoiding me whenever my husband is around. It doesn't make sense.
It does make sense.
Do you want him to start suspecting us? Please don't do that again. I have you all to myself, so I've missed you. Come on, I've missed you. Oh shit! Oh shit!
I never imagined they could hurt me this way. All the good times, all the good days, I loved you with all my heart. And I never imagined they could hurt me this way. What did I do to deserve this? Ooh, my sweet days are turned to nightmares. My heart is shattered. Ooh, I thought we built a life on trust and love, but now it's all lies from above. I'm searching for answers night and day, but the truth is harsh and it's hard to stay. Oh, what did I do to deserve this? Oh, what did I do to go through this pain? Ooh, why hurting me this way? Oh, I'm sorry for the pains I've caused. I'm sorry for the trust I've broken. I know I don't deserve you anymore. Oh, I'm in pains. I'm in pains. I never imagined they could hurt me this way. All the good times, all the good days, I loved you with all my heart. And I never imagined they could hurt me this way. What did I do to deserve this? Ooh, my sweet days are turned to nightmares. My heart is shattered. Ooh, I thought we built a life on trust and love, but now it's all lies from above. I'm searching for answers night and day, but the truth is harsh and it's hard to stay. Oh, what did I do to deserve this? Oh, what did I do to go through this pain? Ooh, why hurting me this way? Oh, I'm in pains. I'm in pains. I never imagined they could hurt me this way.
For how long has this been going
Since when do you travel to Abuja?
Baby, please. I can explain. Please, it's not what you think. I can explain, please.
Yeah. I think I would love to hear your explanations. But before then, let's make it beautiful.
What are you trying to do?
The world, my viewers, my followers, would love to hear your explanations.
What are you doing? No, please, baby. You don't have to do this. Please, just turn off the camera. We can settle this like an adult.
Hold on, we're just getting started.
Please.
We're just getting started, okay?
Brother, please listen to your wife now. Please listen to her. It hasn't gotten to this yet. We can actually settle this as a family, please.
Yes.
When I take away the camera, please.
Why? The world need to see my younger brother having an affair with my wife. Hello, viewers. This is Desmond. Okay, now listen. came back from work and met with your younger brother having an affair with your wife, what are you going to do? Tell me on the comment section. Now start.
Baby, please, I'm sorry. I still love you, please.
Your faith depends on the viewers. I am going to do what I'll do based on the comment.
Just listen to us. Please take it.
Please, take it with. You can settle this.
Look at you, my wife. You're not ashamed of yourself. The world needs to know what you're doing.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, just take off the camera. Please respond, please.
Richmond, I'm listening.
Just take the camera first. We can actually talk these things out. Like, please, we can have a clear understanding. If you just take the camera, please, I will tell you everything. I will do anything you want me to do.
You shot your brother. Please, but please, I beg you. Please.
Tell me on the comment section. If it is you, what will you do?
Please, I still love you, baby. Please, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry. Please. Please.
Too bad. Too many comments. It seems my followers do not like your act.
What?
You want me to kill you?
No. Brother, please. I have learnt my lesson. With this gunshot on my leg, it will serve as a daily reminder to me. I will never repeat this again in my life. Please, brother, please spare my life. Don't kill me, brother, please. Please don't. Brother, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Sharon, I'm begging on my behalf now. Please don't kill him on my behalf. Please don't kill him now. Brother, please now. Please, brother, please.
Jesus, this was just, but why did you kill him? He's your brother. Why did you kill him? He just want to this.
I think you need to follow him to the land of the dead.
Oh, I still love you, please.
So you guys can continue your infidelity.
Baby, please, I still love you, please.
I know.
Don't kill me, please. I still love you.
I know you love me. But you know what? I love you too.
Please, please. Babe, you are back.
For how long has this been going on?
I don't understand. What are you talking about? Welcome back.
Hey!
Hey.
Answer my question.
I don't get. What are you talking about? What are you saying?
For how long has this been going on?
Babe, what are you talking about? I don't understand. You're confusing me. Babe, talk to me. What are you saying?
So you don't know what I'm talking about? Come here.
Babe, what's going on?
You don't know what I'm talking about, right?
No.
So you've been doing this, having sex with my kid brother.
I'm so sorry.
Why are you doing this to me? Upon all I did for you. And you my younger brother. I saw you through school. I provided for you everything you needed. And this is how you pay me back.
Brother, it all started when you went to Abuja. She just... Brother, I am truly sorry, please.
I'm sorry, please forgive me. I didn't know what came over me.
Hey, you, shut up.
Please, babe. Oh my God, babe, please, I'm so sorry, please. Please forgive me, please. Please, my love, please forgive me. I'm sorry, please. Please forgive me. Oh my God. Please. I'm sorry. Please talk to me. I said I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please. Babe, please. Babe, please. Oh my God. Are you the one that told you?
I told you! I did tell you. You see what you've caused. We are finished.
Oh my God, what am I going to do? What are we going to do?
Don't touch me.
Talk to me, what are we going to do?
Leave me alone! Don't touch me.
Hey, what did happen for you? What did be this? What did happen? Make person tell me. Oga say make I keep gate open. Saying they come out immediately. Till now, he never even come out. Oh, come on. I hope say no be waiting at the thing go. I will stay here and wait.
Where are you? Leave here. Come out. Move.
Only please, we can settle this amicably.
Leave this house and never come back again.
Thank you.
I do not want to set my eyes on you again. Both of you.
Please, I am so sorry. Please.
You understand?
Only please, I'm so sorry.
If I go in there and come out and meet you here, you're gonna find it hot with me.
Please, I'm so
okay?
sorry. Please,
Joseph.
Sir?
If I go in there and come out and still see them here, you're gonna lose your job.
Hey,
Let me come out here with anger again. I don't want to see you in this house again. Leave this house now.
Hey! You don't see him? You have heard from the horse's mouth. So move now or I will move you. What Ocha? Ocha Balinanya? Oh, now, Oga, it's not me. Down. No wonder. Maybe I talk him. The very so short. This Ocharanya came into this house, carrying his shoulder up. They do slowly. Yeah? And you say something will solve. People get mind, get guts. They touch madam up and down. Best friend of your wife. I don't talk and say one day. Person where they chop food will not be food. One day, God will catch the person. Catch him like this. Catch him like this.
No. This box is too big, oh. All is well. You can boss I won't care. It's also weekend. Eh? What is the problem now?
Hey, Mama. Mama, I'm finished. Mama. Kema Agugo. I'm finished. Hey!
What happened? Oh, Dokuna!
Mama. I am on the verge of losing my marriage. Hey! Mama.
On the verge of losing your marriage.
Losing my marriage.
You see?
Mama,
you see why I told you to do something about you getting pregnant? Eh? Or do you want another woman to come in?
I wish that was the case, Mama. Mama, that is not the case. Hey!
So what is the case? Dokuna! She cannot talk again. Mama, what is it?
I'm so ashamed of myself. I don't know how to say it, but...
Start from somewhere. Hey!
Okay, Mama. My husband sent me out of the house because...
what?
Because, hey, Jesus. Hey.
Sent her out of her.
Because because he, hey,
this guy, Jesus, my heart.
Because he caught me having an affair with this younger man.
Hey!
Jesus.
Hey, my heart. You've killed me. Oh, wow. Abomination.
I'm so sorry.
You!
I'm sorry. I don't
know. You having an affair with his younger brother.
I'm sorry, Mama.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Mama. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry. Please, Mama, please forgive me because Mama,
fine now.
Please, I don't know what's happened. I don't know what came over me.
You don't know what came over you?
Please,
You allowed your body to control you and you're saying that you don't know what came over you. You slept with your husband's brother. I'm sorry. Please forgive me, Mama, please. Richmond.
Mom?
You decided to come home without informing us you were coming.
Mom, that's because something came up. Something urgent came up. So I decided to just come home.
Really?
Yes. Mommy, this one you're asking me this kind of question. Are you not happy to see me?
Of course I'm happy to see you. So how is your brother?
He's fine.
Good.
Mommy, where is Dad? I haven't seen him since I...
Actually, he went to Ministry of Works to get some documents for a client.
Okay. Okay. Mommy, I'll be inside.
It's alright.
For 2 years now, we've been married. I've been doing all the vital things for her. Providing whatever she wants. Ask her not to work. Just to make sure she doesn't stress herself. So she can conceive for me. What do you see? See what I got? You see what I got?
Man, this is so unbelievable. But why would you sleep with your younger brother? Like, why?
If you ask me, who am I going to ask? How do I even answer you this question? How?
Yes, this is really absurd. Like, but where is she at the moment?
I don't know. I sent her my younger brother out of my house. I just sent them out. I sent them away. Till I know what to do with them.
But this your brother safe. Like, why would he even do such? Eh? In your house, for that matter. Eh? My bro, I know how you feel. Please, just calm down, okay? I feel your pain.
The one who they pay me pass. If you could see where born anya. Child! I want to know where I need to go. Oh, daddy.
Hello.
Oh, daddy. Ngem.
Just imagine.
Hi. Dad. Mom.
Yes.
My in-law.
Yeah.
The thing is that I caught my wife here with my younger brother in his room making out.
What are you talking about?
What? That's an abomination.
Look at them. Ask them.
What?
Richmond, what came over you? So in this whole wide world, the only woman you see you could make out with is your brother's wife. What were you thinking? To commit this abomination? Hey!
Richmond. I'm so surprised you could do a thing like this. Richmond, what is it? After what your brother has done for you?
Dad. This is the height of it. I'm so disappointed at you.
Daddy.
Worse is that you disappointed yourself.
Daddy, please now. I am sorry, Mommy. Please.
Don't you just call me your mother then.
My lord, please, what my daughter did is condemned and beyond comprehension. Because
So what are we supposed to do?
Forgive her.
I don't understand.
Because
Just put your dog on the leash. This means you did not raise your daughter well. You raised her to be so debased and perverse. She slept with her brother-in-law. I said, forgive her.
Munyam naga. Ike na ko para na enianya. Ike munyam na bianya. Because it's not the soft. Ike munyam na bianya. O dalu we makari wo plenty.
Sorry, kill you there.
Mom, please.
I'm so disappointed.
I'm so sorry.
Don't come
please.
close to me because I'm going to slap your face.
Please, I'm sorry. I didn't know what came up.
What did you go to do in his room?
I'm sorry, please.
And right now, I've decided not to continue with the marriage. Yes, as it is now, I'm talking with my lawyer to prepare the divorce paper. I am done with the marriage. I cannot stoop so low to continue with this ingrate. I cannot.
Please, I'm sorry, Mom. Please, I'm sorry.
I saw it. You saw live. Bolianya. Yeah? No this animal. Hey! Now where old daddy?
You can never take a second-class citizen. Okrika wife. You cannot carry.
My uncle I was passing. I was passing the door. I wanted to just collect my phone and go to where I was going to. I started hearing the sound. When I bought my younger brother, oh daddy. Oh daddy. Oh daddy. She has never called me that. If I'm making out with my wife, she'll just be doing She has never called me that. A very nice sound. Oh daddy, oh daddy, when you with her, eh?
Nah, Biko, no. Biko, forget about the sound.
All sound with the joy. All sound with the sweetness. Forget about the sound. All the sound with the pain. Onye wa si na ya tura kwa angene di na nwunye. No ife agwaya. This is part of it. All the sound ife agwaya.
Papa, please, let me know when we go and collect back our bride price. Okay? Tell me the date, then I'll get prepared and come. Please. Because I am done.
You see what you cost? You see what you cost?
Richmond, you have disappointed me.
Hey!
How could you?
How could you?
You got us away.
How
could you reach? How could you?
Don't talk to me.
Hey!
Don't just open that your stinking mouth to talk to me. You're sorry. What are you sorry for? That you were driven into it? Or your eyes were closed when you were banging her?
Hey! Don't touch me! Don't touch me, Taboko!
Richmond, how could you? How could you, my son? I thought we raised you better than this.
I'm so disappointed at you. I never expected this nonsense from you. What? What were you thinking? Where you were plunging into it?
Mommy, Daddy, please, I am sorry.
Now, what particularly are you sorry about? Now, I want to know. They were even calling you name, and you were enjoying it. Now you're sorry. Sorry about what?
In any case, the deed has been done. You will have done it. So there's no going back. All we need to do now is to make peace between you and your brother. Because you really offended him and offended the land and the family. My dear, what do we do with him?
He should go very far away from his brother for now. He should go away. But, my husband, if you ask me, I'll say let's find a way to reconcile them both. I can't stand seeing my two sons at loggerhead, enemies. Let's sort things out once and for all and probably send him away. Because as long as Desmond is seeing him every day, his anger will be boiling more.
You know your son, Desmond. You know the way he behaves. Whatever he says he will do, he will do. I can understand his plight. He's actually serious to divorce the wife, and which he must do if we don't put our heads together. We must have to give him a little time to think over it, to settle what this young man has just caused the family, caused himself as well. Then we'll find a way and appease the land.
And do a proper cleansing.
Pure and proper cleansing. That's an abomination. That must be cleansing.
See what you brought upon yourself. Have you seen what you brought upon yourself? Now they will tie your clothes and be beating you with palm front. Have you seen it? A fair man, black in the spirit. Good for you.
But, Mommy, Daddy, can you please try and talk to Desmond to forgive me? Just look for a way. Anything possible.
No, I want to know what particularly are you sorry about? I am sorry, what are you sorry about? When we're plunging into this act, what are you thinking?
I'm disappointed.
Babe, what happened? I have been trying to reach you to no avail. I called your line severally, but it wasn't connecting. What happened?
I actually traveled to Abuja.
Okay.
Something came up, so I needed to sort it quickly.
Okay.
Now I'm back.
Okay.
So, how have you been?
Babe, I won't lie to you. I urgently need a job. I'm telling you this. All is not well with me. I have a lot of negative things going on in my life right now. I just need to fix things up. I need a job desperately right now. Honestly speaking, I do.
A lot's going through your mind. Like, what?
You know I am done with my NYSC. So I just need to secure a job so I can start making money, start paying bills and taking care of things. And, you know, I don't want to depend on anybody again. That's just it.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Very soon, you start making your own money. I can assure you that. I told you I'm working on it.
Really?
Okay, so be fine.
Oh, thank you so much.
By the way, why are we meeting in a bar instead of your brother's house? You know, baby, I've missed you. You're supposed to be there right now.
Yes. Actually, I forgot to tell you. Sorry. But I have moved out of my brother's house. I am now staying with my parents. For now. Yeah, for now. No.
You left your brother's house. Why? Why did you leave?
Nothing. I just felt like leaving the house. Nothing more.
Okay.
Yes.
It's okay.
Yes, baby. Babe. How about the job in your father's company that you promised me? You remember I sent you my CV and you said you were going to get back to me and you didn't tell me.
Baby, relax. I told you have the job already. I'm just waiting for my dad to come into the country, and once he does, I'll do a formal introduction and every other thing can take place. You start immediately. That's why I say you should relax.
Oh, you are the best, baby. Thank you so much, Q. You are the best. I love you.
I love you too.
That's true.
He's still not picking. He's still not picking my calls. What is all this?
Babes, I think you should let this guy be and focus on how to fix things with your husband. You see, this period, you have to be very, very careful.
Babes, you know me now. You know I'm always careful. You know I see the be now. You know I'm always careful with my doings. But that particular day, I thought he has gone to work. Little did I know that he is around. And now he wants a divorce. This man wants to divorce me. My marriage is gone. Like, I've lost my marriage.
So what do you intend to do now?
I don't know. I don't know what to do at this point. I have called him several times. I've tested him. I've done everything, but he doesn't want to talk to me. He don't reply my text messages. He don't even pick my call. He don't return my calls. I don't know what to do. I'm just losing it. I'm losing.
Babe. What is wrong with her? Babes, is everything okay with you? Are you alright?
How can everything be alright? With everything that is going on. Babes, I'm losing it. I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me.
Baby, I understand your plight. So what are we going to do now?
You don't understand. You don't understand, babes. Desmond wants to divorce me. And I hate divorce. Like, I'd rather be a single woman than be a divorcee. What I mean, you don't understand.
Babes, how about we go to his house and beg him?
He will not let us in. He will not. I've tried everything possible. I've called him, I've tested him, I've done everything. I've done everything.
Never
I've done
say
everything
never.
that I can think of, but he don't want to listen to me. I've lost my marriage.
We have to try. We have to. There's no harm in trying.
I've lost my marriage.
Don't say that. I don't want you to be negative.
What am I going to do?
Calm down. Everything is going to be fine. We'll go to his house and beg him.
He will not listen.
He will. Let us just try first. Stop being negative about this whole thing. I don't like it when you sound like this. Calm down. Calm down. Just cool your mind. We'll go to his house. We'll beg him together. He will listen to you.
Don't try it. Go where? Where you won't go? Huh? My oga instructed me, say, make una no enter this compound at all. You want make I lose my job? You don't know the economy where they these days. Huh? If you not get it, yeah, madam, I dey respect you. Make I no go jump person. Hey, see people please they go. Make I lock my gates.
Let us wait for him inside. I want to talk with you.
Hold, but not possible.
Please, madam. Let us go inside.
Johnson is me, oh.
You see this thing you're doing? You see this thing you're doing? Get away from here, madam.
Johnson, let me speak to my husband, please.
Oh, not possible. Your husband say he go sack me. He won't make the fire.
He will not sack you.
Okay, today.
Johnson, please.
Let us just wait for him. Why is he wait now?
What is it? What is it?
Baby, please, I'm sorry, please.
What are you doing here?
Desmond, please, let's go inside and talk, please.
Talk what?
Please.
For what? I told you I do not want to see you here again.
Baby,
if I come back here and see you here again, you might not live to see what I will do to you.
I said
you understand?
Sorry, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Mama, there's more like that.
Desmond,
baby, please, I'm sorry. Desmond. Please, I'm sorry.
See, if I come back here and meet them here in this house, just
don't worry,
Desmond, please now.
Please.
Let's just go inside and talk. Desmond.
Please, I'm sorry. Baby, I said I'm sorry, please. Please forgive me. Baby, please.
Come on, go.
But because of all this, so because of all these things,
I am respecting you.
I thought you said he's not around. You will remain a gate man for the rest of your life.
You will remain a
You will remain a gate man.
I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Are you not
Game fool. You will remain a gate man.
You are the one that told us to be opening our ways.
Why did you like that he's not around? Why did you like that?
I will give you another palmer. Look at her. Idiot. If you did not deceive her, how would she have opened her leg to Dick and Harry? Another palmer. Oh? Instead of you to tell her to give her the area in one check, near only my organ, you are telling her to go about distributing it. Obviously, I know that's it. I was sorry, no.
This way. Oh, I'm sorry for the pains I've caused. I'm sorry for the trust I've broken. I know I don't deserve you anymore, but please forgive me.
Mom, the thing is, you understand is this. I've made up my mind on that matter and nothing is going to change my mind.
Desmond, please, my son. Richmond is not just your brother. He is your only sibling. The only brother you have. Please forgive him. He deserves your forgiveness. Give him a second chance. This time, he will not disappoint you like he did in the past. I beg you, my son. Forgive him, please.
Mom, please listen. I'm not going to discuss anything on this matter again. This is the last time I'm going to discuss something on this matter. Next time, if you want to call me, tell me something else. Else I won't pick your call again. Oh.
Okay, no problem. I just come back. Drop by in the house. Let's talk about it. Let's reason together. Let's talk about this once and for all. Okay?
Have a nice day.
Hello? Desmond? Hello?
What did he say?
He got angry and ended the call on me.
I told you to give him time. I know my son. He will surely come back home. Give him time.
Now your eyes be this. Yeah? You know that day when madam come up for here. Ijalobia. You wanna plan am? What happen? Who you define?
Is my brother inside?
Your brother dey inside. But you know say him tell me make I no let una come inside this place. You see I be warn you that time. I be tell you. What you dey do? E good do. Odomma. They touch person will not be your wife. Now you dey outside, me I dey in. I be tell you say I go deal with you. Hey! Come on, Maka. Hey, yes. Hey, my wrist. Oh, Oga, I did that. God, this boy, you just push me down. You follow Maka? Hey!
Sorry for the pains I've caused. I'm sorry for the trust I've broken. I know I don't deserve you anymore, but please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Oh.
Young man, what are you doing here?
Brother, I have wronged you terribly. After all the love you showered me with, after all the care and affection you showed me, yet I betrayed you I betrayed our brotherhood. I can't even forgive myself. Brother, please. Please, brother. Forgive me so I can forgive myself. Biko,
Hey, Nyala. Did you consider me your brother while you were devouring my wife up there? Yeah? Did you consider me your brother when you were chewing my wife? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Now listen to me. I do not want to see you in this house again, and next time do not barge in on me, because if you do, you have yourself to blame. Because next time, I won't be this lenient at all. And I'm going upstairs. Before I come back here, I do not want to see you.
Everybody deserves a second chance. Just give me one. We'll not do it again. Brother, please. Brother, please. Please, brother, please.
Oh, I'm sorry for the pains I've caused. I'm sorry for the trust I've broken. I know I don't deserve you anymore. But please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Sharon, you are still lying down like this? Yeah? Hope all is well. You've been like this for some days now. Hey, I'm back now.
Welcome.
What's the problem? You've been like this for some days now. What is going on?
I'm fine, Mama.
Sharon, are you sure you are not pregnant?
Pregnant? Mom, that's not possible.
Not possible? Have you not been sleeping with your husband?
Yes, yes. Yes, I have. I have.
So?
Mom, please. I need to be somewhere right now.
So where are you going to?
There's something that I need to do. I'll be right back.
There's something you want to do?
Yes, Mama.
I'm sorry for the pains I've caused. I'm sorry for the trust I've broken. I know I don't deserve you anymore. But please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm in pains. I'm in pains. I never imagined that you could hurt me this way. I thought we built a life on trust and love, but now it's all a lie.
right. Please be careful.
What did I do to deserve this? Oh, what did I do to go through this pain? Ooh, why hurting me this way? Oh, I'm sorry for the pains I've caused. I'm sorry for the trust I've broken. I know I don't deserve you anymore, but please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm in pains. I'm in pains. I never imagined that you could hurt me this way.
Oh my God.
I thought we'd build
Positive.
life on trust and love, but now it's all.
How is that even possible? Sharon. Yeah. I've been meaning to ask you something. Because these days I don't understand you. You're always sleeping and acting some type of way. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine. Why are you both sounding like my mother? I'm fine.
No, Sharon, you're not fine. Are you sure this is not another pregnancy?
No. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is today's date?
Today is 30th.
Whew. 30th?
30th.
I've not seen my period though. Hey,
Sharon. Not again. Eh? I keep telling you, always take pills or use CD. What is wrong with you? Eh?
Babe, calm down now. It's not my fault. You know I see the B. This thing not be my fault. You know I sleep with different guys every day. So I've lost count. Sometimes I forget to take the pills. It's not be my fault.
Ah, baby, they fuck up, I swear. Now every 2 days they carry belly. Eh? If not be saying my friend, I swear I'll say you don't have sense. Which kind of nonsense?
Take it easy
I
now.
beg you. Forgot too much. You need to be more careful.
I'm trying.
Sharon,
Doctor.
is it possible for you to keep this baby?
Doc. Hell no. Doctor, please. I cannot keep this child. I'm in my 3rd year in the university. And I need to graduate. I need to take this baby out. Please help me. I need your help. Doctor, now, you know I cannot keep this child. Eh? People will laugh at me and I need to graduate with my mates. Please. I beg you.
This is your 7th abortion in a space of 8 months. Well, I'm afraid your womb might be affected and chances for you to get pregnant in the future will be very slim.
Doctor, please, is there nothing you can do for me? Please, just, I need to take this baby out. Please. That means my womb is back. My womb is okay. But that means I'm fine. Like, I can conceive. Who's the father of the baby? I don't even know if it's my husband or Richmond. God. Shit. But positive. My hope is back. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Richmond, I'm curious to know who the father of my baby is. I want us to go to the hospital tomorrow and do a DNA test. At least let's know who the father of the child is.
Sharon, what if it turns out that I'm the father of this child?
Then we figure out something else. We figure out how to go about it. Please.
It seems you don't understand the gravity of what we have done. I am afraid. I do not want to be the father of this child. Don't you get it?
What are you afraid of? Honestly, I really want to know who the father of my child is. If you don't want to know, I want to know. Please, tomorrow let's just go and do this DNA test and it will be better for both of us.